Hey folks, the time has come up the top of the street there with the road construction going on. They're putting in a new roundabout at the intersection of Woodman and Greenwood. So they're going to change the traffic pattern now. Winfrey's been open, but that will be closed. There'll be a really short detour to get into the property. So I drew up a really quick sketch. So this is 295 right here as it stands, and you've got Woodman Road that you come off at 295. You would ordinarily turn right on Greenwood and then take a quick left on Winfrey. That's the part on Winfrey Road that they're going to close. So all you need to do is come on up another 150 yards, take that left. This is called Old Greenwood Road, and then they're going to divert that onto Winfrey and it will continue as normal. So again, Greenwood Road, Winfrey where it used to be is being closed off here in the red. And then this is Old Greenwood, so another about 150 yards in between that you'll just continue on, or shorter if you're coming from the other direction here. But Old Greenwood Road, and then that will divert onto Winfrey, and everything will look the same. Eventually, you'll just come in off of Woodman onto Winfrey, a little bit more convenient. But in the interim, with the road work going on, just wanted to give you a quick heads up. And again, take the detour. There will be signs up for you as well. Forward to seeing you out at the farm.